In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an invoice in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in and on the main dashboard. This is the starting point for everything. And from here, you'll be able to access the sales area where your invoices are managed. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Zoho Books can vary a little depending on your layout or subscription, but the overall process stays very similar. Once you're inside the account, go to the Sales section. This area contains all of the customer-facing transactions, including estimates, sales orders, and invoices. Since we're uploading invoice data, this is the correct place to begin. Click on Sales and then select Invoices. That will open the invoice page, where you can view existing records and access more options for managing them. After the Invoices page opens, look toward the top of the screen for the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional actions that aren't shown directly on the main toolbar. Click the three dots to expand the available options. From that menu, choose Import. This tells Zoho Books that you want to bring invoice information into the system from an external file, rather than creating each invoice manually, one by one. When the import window appears, simply locate your file on your computer. Make sure you choose the correct file you want to upload, especially if you have multiple versions saved. It's always a good idea to confirm that the file is complete and properly formatted before selecting it, because that can help avoid errors during the upload process. Once you've found the file, click to proceed and upload it. Zoho Books will then begin importing the invoice data. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few moments. After the upload is complete, your invoices should be successfully added to the system. If you want to be extra careful, take a quick look through the imported invoices afterward to confirm everything came in correctly. That way, you can catch any formatting or data issues right away. And that's it. That's how to upload an invoice in Zoho Books quickly and successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.